I just got my hair cut. Look at that part. I ain't do nothing to my hair for real. I just threw it in the ponytail. And I'm waiting for Ariana to come out the house. You know how girls be, man. They be taking forever, bro. 30 years just to comb your hair, bro. It's not that serious. I've been gone for a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I ain't really had nothing too much going on in my life, bro. I just been chilling. Y'all need to use Aquaphora for them lips, man. I'm telling y'all, use Aquaphora. It's better than Vaseline, everything. I use Aquaphora for my legs when they ashy and for my lips when they ashy. Yesterday, Ariana had I got my feet done, y'all. I would show y'all, but sure. Hold on, let me turn this way. Yesterday, y'all, Ariana did this little at-home pedicure thing, and she basically did my little feet, rubbing them and shit. Am I the only person that got, like, y'all, when we went to Puerto Rico, right? I went to this man to get my hair done. I went to him to get my hair cut. And I was just like, why my hair, like, I could have sworn that it looked a little funny, right? It looked a little funny, right? So I'm thinking, like, this is not no crispy haircut, bro. Like, he had to do something. Like, he fucked me up, y'all. My shit was bald. Like, if you go back and look, my shit was bald right here. So I just went back to the girl I used to go to, and she tried to fix me up and stuff like that. So that's how I was looking right now. I gotta figure out how I'm you know what I'm saying? Or I'm just gonna have like just a regular S curl right there. Like, sometimes, like, your hair, like, grow in a different way. It grow in a different way. I ain't want her to go down too low or nothing like that, because last time I told this man to go down, this nigga took it to a 0 and just balled it, like, just one side. Like, he just... I can't go to no male barber, bro. They hate so bad. Like, male barbers hate on studs bad. I'm not a stud, but I don't really... I mean, I get seen as one, but still, like, they hate on us so bad, so they try to fuck up our haircut, bro. That's really what it is. He tried to fuck up my haircut because he's a hater. That's what it is, bro. Still waiting on Ariana to bring her little ugly ass outside. Let me see if she texts me. No, she ain't text me. I'm finna ask her where she at, because this nigga... When you coming?
Can I fix my hair?
Told y'all. Didn't I tell y'all? Alright. I told you, man. Girls be taking forever in the bathroom. Why you gotta fix your hair for 30 hours, bro? What's that, man? She finally came out, y'all. Anyways, look at this. The wind is winding right now. I ain't gonna lie. This looks so... Move to the...
I'm sorry.
Oh my God, y'all. Look at this. I gotta get a better little thing when we walk up there. My babe playing today, y'all. Cause you know, every time we pass by these things, I'll be like, damn, I wanna go there. I wanna see what's up here. One of those. Oh my God, get the thumbnail. You could have been in it, babe.
You didn't tell me.
Yeah, hopefully we can go up in this motherfucker and we can look at all of them. But if we don't, then...
I don't know how this shit go. You can't take pictures?
Oh, it's how you don't need a permit to take personal use photos of the plants or casual shots. But I guess... Really humid in here. It is, man. Black pepper vine. God. Oh my God. I think it's called like megaphobia when people be like kind of scared of big things. Let's take a selfie in front of this, in front of that right there.
Why is it so big?
I don't know. It's really giant. Tree lily.
Oh, this is cute.
I should grow these. Why is it an echo right here? Is that us? Oh. Okay, look.
I didn't even see these.
This is such a good experience, y'all. I'm so glad my girlfriend brought me here.
You know me. In the cactus.
Mm.
No cacti.
They're cute though.
Yeah, you put a fit together with this.
It is cute. Love y'all. Look what she got me. It's cute. It's a little cactus. We have fun though. Look at the water.
I didn't see that when you came.
I did. I went to hop up in. Just got some food, y'all. Show them the covers, baby.
It's so good.
Y'all, I just had, this is just how I had went there, bro. Got my hair cut and shit. But yeah, we finna, let me make this focus. We finna go in the house, probably watch TV, y'all. I got my necklace on. My little cactus. But yeah, so we finna go in the house, probably watch TV then. Yeah, we finna be chilling, so yeah.